Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i 16-inch WQXGA 240Hz gaming laptop, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I've gotta say, if you're in the market for a new gaming laptop, there are so many options out there that can be overwhelming. But one thing's for sure, Lenovo has been pushing the boundaries of what a gaming laptop should be, and this particular model is no exception. From the 16-inch WQXGA display to the powerful hardware inside, I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to its promise. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is designed with gamers in mind, but let's be real, there are so many of us out there who use our laptops for more than just gaming. Whether you're a content creator, a graphic designer, or just someone who likes to watch movies on the go, this laptop has got your back. So what sets it apart from other high-end gaming laptops? For starters, that 16-inch WQXGA display is a game-changer. Imagine everything on screen feeling buttery smooth. Whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline, it's an immersive experience like no other. And with the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, you get to enjoy those sharp, detailed visuals without any compromises. But it's not just about looks, this laptop is also packed with serious processing power. The Intel Core Ultra 9 processor is like a beast under the hood, delivering desktop-class performance that's perfect for high-end gaming and content creation. And let me tell you, whether I'm playing the latest titles or working on a video edit, it handles everything with ease. Of course, no laptop is complete without some serious memory and storage. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i delivers in spades. We're talking 64GB of DDR5 RAM that lets you run multiple applications simultaneously with smooth and responsive operation. And with that 4TB PCI SSD, you can store all your files, apps, and media without any lag or slowdowns. Now I know some of you might be thinking about the price tag on this thing, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Not only does it offer unparalleled performance and features, but the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i also comes with a range of perks that make it feel like a premium product. From the customizable RGB backlit keyboard to the bonus docking station set, you're getting a laptop that's truly built for gaming enthusiasts. In real-world use, I've found that this laptop handles everything I throw at it without any issues. Whether I'm working on a video edit or just browsing through YouTube, it's incredibly responsive and efficient. And when I do get into some serious gaming action, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i really shines. Whether you're playing Fortnite or Cyberpunk 2077, it delivers silky smooth visuals that'll keep you engaged for hours on end. One thing I will say is that the laptop can be a bit hot during extended gaming sessions. Now, this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but if you do find yourself sweating bullets after an hour or two of playtime, it's worth keeping in mind. Overall, though, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is definitely worth considering for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop game. With its incredible performance, stunning display, and range of premium features, this thing is a beast that'll handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants the best out of their tech, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is an absolute must-check out. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.